Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can submit finished timesheets in Hubstaff. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.hubstaff.com and log in to your Hubstaff account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, set your focus on the left panel. From the options right here, we're going to click on Timesheets. And from the options that will appear, click on Approvals. On the next window, you're going to see all the pending timesheets that you submitted and the corresponding pay period with its duration, the activity, and the current status. Now, how can we submit this? We're going to set our focus on the rightmost part of the option and click on Actions. A drop-down menu will appear which says View, Submit, Approve, or Deny. Simply click on the Submit button to submit this to your upper-ups. And after that, wait for a few seconds, and as simple as that, as you can see right here on the top right corner, that timesheet is submitted and is now for review. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!